So our next finalist is Naomasa Fukase from the Stedman Philippine Research Institute. He will be discussing smart bone plates to monitor fracture healing in a rabbit model. Whenever you're ready.
Think back to the world 100 years ago. What do you see? A thriving American economy, a time of hope and prosperity, and the widespread use of electrical appliances, radios, washing machines, and X-rays. This usage changed everything, especially within the medical field. The use of X-rays became standard in diagnosing bone fractures all over the country. It was finally possible to see what was actually happening within the human body. Although convenient, X-rays pose a serious drawback, radiation. Because of potential harm to the human body, significant care must always be taken to minimize the side effects throughout clinical practice. 100 years have passed since the discovery of this technology. How do we view X-rays today? X-rays are still commonly used in clinics all around the world. What about another form of technology, CT scans? Currently, we know that CT scans are more effective at detecting the morphology of complex fractures. However, CT scans produce an even greater dose of radiation than X-rays, resulting in less frequent use. Every day, we use the internet to gather information, computers to listen to music, and smartphones to make phone calls. Humans continue to create extraordinary inventions today with the goal of creating healthier and more purposeful lives. Despite the amazing advances in technology, we still use X-rays to make the same diagnosis we did 100 years ago. The world is growing. Medicine is evolving. Something needs to change. In the future, where doctors and patients have to wait for the next X-ray to make clinical decisions? No way. How do we change this? It starts with smart bone plate. By incorporating a sensor into a fixation material commonly used in orthopedic surgery, smart bone plate actually monitor the healing process of fractures over time, allowing doctors to instantly determine the extent of healing process. No more X-rays, no more radiation, only bone plates. This is the future of medicine. This is changing lives. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much. All right. Any questions?
I can have a short question, Sarah. Great presentation. I enjoyed very much your idea. Wouldn't the sensors, I see in the bottom of your slide, the sensors go through the fracture. Wouldn't the sensors interfere with the healing process?
So thank you for your question. That's a very important point. And we actually, we recently published a paper regarding this smart bone plate using the similar sensor, and that's a mice project. And we confirmed by historical analysis that the sensor is very thin. The sensor didn't interfere with bone regeneration. We already confirmed about that. Thank you for your question. So in this study, we extend to rabbit model. Yeah, thank you.
Excellent. Thank you so much.